This is a system of linear equations word problem. Systems of linear equations have two items. In this case, hamburgers and hot dogs, or they could be tables that seat two and tables that seat four, or whatever. But for these question types, we're looking for price and quantity of each item. You're always going to get the price and quantity of the whole thing, but the price and quantity of each item is what to look out for. So here we're seeing that the hamburgers are $10 each, the hot dogs are $5 each. So we're given the price of each. So that tells us now that we can make our X and Y the quantity of each. So X can be the number of hamburgers, Y can be the number of hot dogs, and like we always say, this is the most important part right here of this type of word problem, because if you know exactly what your variables are, because you took the extra time to kind of write them out and describe them, then you'll proceed with less confusion than everyone else. So X is the number of one item, Y is the number of the other. Therefore, X plus Y is the total number of items, which is 30. Then we have our price times quantity statement, which is saying that the hamburgers cost $10 each, and there are X of those, and the hot dogs cost $5 each, and there are Y of those. But the total amount of money is 175. So now we've got our two equations and our two variables. They line up so perfectly, the X's, the Y's, and the numbers. And so when they line up like that, you want to use the elimination method. Now we need the hot dogs, so we need Y. So let's take advantage of that and instead eliminate X. So what do we need to eliminate X? Because here we have 10X, it would be awful nice to have negative 10X on this equation, which we can create easily by multiplying both sides by negative 10. So negative 10X minus 10Y is negative 300. And we can bring the other equation right below it. 10x plus 5y is 175. When we add straight down, the 10x's will cancel. Negative 5y is negative 125. Divided by negative 5. And y is negative 125 over negative 5, which is 25. And that's answer choice B for this question.